In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply promo code in American Eagle. Let's start by opening the official American Eagle website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, you'll be on the main dashboard. From here, the quickest path to enter a discount is through your shopping bag. Look to the top right corner of the page and click the bag icon. If your bag is empty, make sure you've added the items you want to purchase so you can see the offers options. Inside your bag, find the offers section. This is where American Eagle lets you apply any eligible discount. Click apply a promo code, then type or paste your code into the field. Take a second to double check for extra spaces before or after the code. Those can cause an error. Some codes are case sensitive and many have rules like minimum spend, limited categories, or expiration dates, so keep an eye on any on-screen messages. When you're ready, click apply and watch the order summary update. You should see the discount reflected in the subtotal if the code is valid and your items qualify. If you prefer to apply your code during checkout instead, click Let's Check Out from the bag page. On the checkout screen, enter your personal details carefully so your order and delivery information are accurate. Next, add your preferred payment method and make sure the billing details match what your bank has on file. After that, look for the Apply a Promo Code link or section within checkout. Click it, enter the same code, and hit apply. Again, confirm the discount appears in the order summary. If it doesn't, review any notes about exclusions, quantity limits, or region restrictions, and make sure the code hasn't expired. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Typically, only one promo code can be used per order, and some promotions don't stack with sale items or site-wide offers. If a code fails, remove any stray spaces, verify the terms, and refresh the page before trying again. Once your discount looks correct, your details are complete, and the total is accurate, go ahead and place your order. That's it. Now you know exactly how to apply a promo code on American Eagle, either from your bag or directly at checkout. Thanks for watching and happy saving on your next order.